Can the good sponsor confirm if this is indeed Li Dan Wang in the ribbon-cutting ceremonies of Nine Dynasty? Siya po ba ito, Mr. President?
Yes, yes, yeah,
Yes.
in the middle.
And can the good sponsor identify the person to the right of Mr. Wang in this photo?
Wala po akong kilala dito. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung litratong yan.
Pagpapaalala sa lahat, si Duan Ren Wu po ang big boss ng Porac Pogo. Kinikilala pong ninong ni Cassandra o Cassie Leong at wanted fugitive sa China. So, does it inspire confidence in us that the applicant is an associate of a wanted fugitive, Mr. President? Is Mr. Wang connected with a company operating with the name Nine Dynasty, Mr. President?
No, Mr. President.
He's not. I ask this, Mr. President, because Nine Dynasty is a mysterious underground cryptocurrency service targeted to be one of the largest, if not the largest, in Asia. So, bakit po yung pangalan po ni Mr. Wang listed as the identified representative and junket operator of Nine Dynasty, Mr. President?
Ang nangyayari po, Mr. President, nagdadala lang siya ng player. Yun po yung kanyang naging role doon, pero hindi siya ang may-ari nitong 9 o 99 ba ho yan? 9?
Nine Dynasty,
Nine
Mr.
Dynasty.
President.
Opo.
So, nagdadala po siya ng player. So, hindi naman po
Hindi bawal po yun. Hindi po yun bawal.
At saka hindi po mutually exclusive sa pagiging identified representative at junket operator ng Nine Dynasty, Mr. President. At I'm showing a photo here, Mr. President. Can the good sponsor confirm if this is indeed Li Dan Wang in the ribbon-cutting ceremonies of Nine Dynasty? Siya po ba ito, Mr. President?
Yes, yes, yeah,
Yes.
in the middle. Because
In the middle,
he is
yes,
a
Mr.
BBIP player who brings here BBIP category players.
Yes, Mr. President.
Ano po, ang sabi po sa akin, pag ikaw daw po ay nagdala ng player, meron ka komisyon sa hotel, sa mga restaurant, sa junket operations. Doon, meron siyang kinikita doon. Kaya ginawa siyang guest of honor dito dahil siya yung nagdadala, pinagtiwalaan ng ilang players.
Yes, Mr. President. So, nagdadala po siya ng VIP players from which he earns a commission, at dito sa photo na ito, sabi ng good sponsor, sila yung guest of honor.
Isa sa mga guest kasi maraming pinagupit.
Yes, one of the guests of
Maraming
honor.
ribbon, maraming bulaklak.
And can the good sponsor identify the person to the right of Mr. Wang in this photo?
Wala po akong kilala dito, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba yan si Mr. Duan Ren Wu?
Hindi ko
And
po
I'll flash
kilala.
a photo po of
Wala
Mr.
po akong kilala dyan.
Wu.
Opo, wala akong nare-recognize dyan, Your Honor. Hindi ko po, ngayon ko lang nakita yung litratong yan.
Kung gayon, Mr. President, good sponsor, I think meron din akong photo dyan ni Mr. Duan Ren Wu. At para po sa kabatiran or pagpapaalala sa lahat, si Duan Ren Wu po ang big boss ng Porac Pogo. Kinikilala pong ninong ni Cassandra o Cassie Leong at wanted fugitive sa China. So, does it inspire confidence in us that the applicant is an associate of a wanted fugitive, Mr. President?
Mr. President, I was informed that yung nabanggit niyong pangalan, hindi ko na nga ma-recite uli, ay player po sa isang junket dahil ang casino naman po ay legal sangayon sa umiiral na batas. At habang tayo po ay nagsasalita, ay ang casino po ay bukas pa at napakaraming casino po sa ating bansa. So, kung siya man ay nirecognize niya kung sino, ay uulitin ko po na yung sinasabi ko kanina, mere association, most notably through a photograph, cannot be ascribed to a person's guilt. Guilt cannot be inferred solely by association, photographs, or a photo with someone accused of a crime. Tayo naman po lahat Ang daming nagpapa-selfie. At sa dami na ng litrato, siguro darating ang panahon na yung nagpalitrato sa atin ay baka hindi rin kanais-nais na tao. So will that be an association by guilt likewise? Hindi po. So dito po sa larawang nandito, hindi ko po ma-judge yan. Siguro merong isang ribbon cutting kung ano man. But ulitin ko po, yung matatagal na at malalim na doktrina na even mere presence at the scene of the crime without which does not make a person a principal, an accomplice or accessory. There must be clear evidence showing the participation to commit an offense. I don't see any offense yet here, Mr. President, dito sa larawan na nakikita ngayon.
Again, Mr. President, we are not talking about offense, let alone crime, at hindi po ito trial. Ito po ay pagre-raise ng mga, hindi lang kakaunti, marami-raming reasons for concern about this application. So, dito, si Mr. Duan Renwu na nasa photo, sabi nga ng good sponsor ay player sa junket. Siya po ba ay isa sa mga VIP players na dinala ni Mr. Wang para maglaro sa
Hindi
Nine
ko po alam,
Dynasty?
Your Honor, hindi ko rin alam
Okay.
yung binanggit yung pangalan kung sino dyan.
Ay,
Para magkakamukha na lahat sila.
hindi naman po, Mr. President. At I give the good sponsor more credit dahil isa po sila sa dumalo sa ating mga pagdinig tungkol sa Pogo at naging famous or infamous yung pangalan ni Duan Renwu dyan. And speaking of actions that are or can be attributable to Mr. Wang, isang bagay na klarong ginawa ni Mr. Wang ay itago ang ilang piling business interests niya. At sa ganitong mga susunod ko pang mga tanong at itong tanong, nagmumukang may rason, Mr. President. Ito po kasing yung Avia International Club also provides junkets for Nine Dynasty. Tama ba, Mr. President?
Maaari po, tama po yan. Pero
Maaari po,
ulitin ko
opo.
po na hindi naman siya actively involved doon sa nabanggit nyo na operations ng ABIA. Kita nyo po itong pinapakita nyo, Soler Resort and Casino. Yan po ay is a legal, very legal establishment. Yan dyan po sa taas. So wala pong mali dyan. Marami hong, hanggang ngayon, may bago pang bukas na Soler ata sa Quezon City sa North. Quezon
But this,
City. So,
Mr. President,
there is nothing illegal in going to a casino, Mr. President.
Mr. President, ito po ay listahan ng Nine Dynasty na mga junket
Oo.
operators niya.
Which is
nakalista
also
doon ang
legal,
pangalan
Mr.
niya.
President.
At
Nagdadala
nakalista.
ng mga customer sa hotel, sa casino. Casino is a legal business operation. Tayo po ay minsan naimbitahan din pag kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yung huling punta ko sa casino, yung Metro Manila Film Festival, legal naman po yung casino. Mausok nga lang. Mausok, Mr. President. Kaya I don't see anything wrong with a casino. It is legal. It is allowed by law. Its operation is regulated by PAGCOR under PD 1869 as amended by Republic Act 9487. And our government continues to receive a critical amount to finance some of our big public hospitals, including sports, and a lot of other things, Mr. President. So,
All the more reason, Mr. President, na kapagtataka na if all of this is legal anyway, if all of this is beneficial anyway sa Pilipinas, kung bakit hindi binanggit ni Mr. Wang sa komite. Yun po yung isang
ang
pinagtatakhan
sagot po,
ko. Because
Mr.
I'm not saying it's
President-
illegal. I'm saying he concealed this from the committee,
hindi,
Mr.
ang
President.
sagot po doon, Mr. President, during that time, hindi naman siya member na nung ABIA. O nung Prime, hindi na siya kasali doon. Nung nag-hearing, 2021 po siya, wala na siyang involvement sa Prime. Ngayon, nung nag-hearing, Powergate ba? Powergate. So ngayon ay 2020, nag-hearing ata ay 2024. So wala na talaga siya, no? Kahit nung 18th Congress, hindi na rin siya.
Pero hindi rin po siya, Mr. President, nag-disclose ng links niya sa Avia at sa Nine Dynasty, which is identified bilang isa sa mga nag-avail of ng junket operation services ng mga tulad ng Avia International Club. So kung
Kasi nga
lahat
po,
nito
Mr.
ay
President,
maayos,
we were
bakit
guided
hindi
by the
dinisclose?
checklist of the committee. Hindi naman nakalagay doon na na-involved ka ba sa junket. Hindi naman nakalagay doon na ikaw ba ay nagkakasino. So, ang presumption po dito, Mr. President, your committee worked hard to engage the services of other government agencies to secure the documents required of a person applying for a legislative naturalization decree. So lahat po 'yun ay natupad naman po as of the date na nag-hearing po yung ating committee.
Yes, Mr. President. So, has the committee been made aware of the nature of activities of Mr. Wang, Mr. President?
Opo, yung lumabas po sa committee ay yung sila ay nagsimula ng merong palayan sa Isabela, gawaan ng tsinelas, at nagkaroon ng negosyo na umunlad naman sa pagtatayo ng mga gusali na ginagamit bilang lagayan ng palay. Yun po yung mga, sa naalala ko, matagal-tagal
Yes,
na
Mr.
kasi yun,
President.
Mr. President.
Apo. But again, wala kasi akong nakita dahil hindi niya ibinigay sa komite mga impormasyon tungkol sa pogo o gambling o cryptocurrency. And I hope na at least na-appreciate
Isa-isahin ko po,
natin na
Mr. President.
itong impormasyon lumalabas na ngayon kesa
Isa-isahin ko po,
later,
Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Hindi po siya na-involved sa Pogo. Okay? And during the hearings, Mr. President, yung Pogo po ay, kung ito man ay illegal ngayon, yung Pogo naman po during those days, legal pa yon. May mga legal pang Pogo. Hindi rin po nabuksan yung cryptocurrency kasi wala naman po sa records yun, wala sa checklist na alam niyo po, Mr. President, pwede kong banggitin ngayon, 25 executive orders will be issued day after tomorrow by President Trump. And one of the executive orders would involve institutionalization of cryptocurrency in the United States. And that would have a big effect, not just in the United States, but in the world's economy. So lahat po ito malilegalize na, Mr. President. You will see this unfold 2 days from now. So cryptocurrency per se is not bad. Bitcoin is not bad. Ethereum is not bad. So 2 days from now, lalabas po lahat yung executive order. 25 yon. Pero binanggit ko lang po yon kasi we're jumping the gun. Cryptocurrency is not bad. Hindi casino operations, gambling, casino is not also illegal. Di ba? So I don't see any reason to disclose something which is not being asked of and something which is not illegal when the hearing was conducted. And that includes perhaps, I'm not defending this, you have mentioned this, I have joined you in the various committee reports and records will show, even if you look at existing legislative records, I was not one of the signatories when the POGO legalization law was signed. Hindi po ako nakapirma doon, Mr. President. Kaya kampi niyo ako rito. Kaya
Precisely, Mr.
itong
President.
POGO, hindi ito pinag-usapan kasi nung panahong yon, legal pa ito sa mata ng batas. Itong casino, hanggang ngayon legal pa ito. At itong nabanggit niyong cryptocurrency, 48 hours pa ho siguro. Makikita niyo po yung legalization nito sa ibang jurisdiction, which will have an impact in our jurisdiction likewise.
And again, Mr. President, nadadagdagan tuloy yung listahan ng mga bagay na dati ay hindi pa illegal or hanggang ngayon ay legal. Pero kung bakit hindi dinisclose ng ating aplikante sa komite ay nagbibigay ng impression talaga na hindi completely forthright. So kanina po napag-uusapan natin. Napag-uusapan natin kanina, Mr. President, ang espionage. So, Mr. President, do you think it should disqualify an applicant from Filipino citizenship if he is a member of a group that could possibly be involved in malign foreign influence, Mr. President?
Siguro po,
Napo.
hindi po dapat siya pag maging Pilipino kung siya ay isang espiya.